Hi, it's day 2 of Memex Launch Week, and I'm really excited to share a major improvement to the core of Memex, its agent. Whereas other coding agents might assume you're comfortable with technical tasks like navigating a terminal or starting and stopping the server, that's not an assumption we want to make. If you're comfortable with those things, we want to make them easier. If you're not comfortable with them, we want to handle them for you so you can build your idea. And that's why I'm super excited to show you the new interactive terminal in Memex, a first of its kind for any vibe coding tool. To understand why this is a big deal, allow me to provide some context. So for one, there are hundreds of software engineering tools that are accessed via command line interfaces. Many of these tools interactively ask the user questions like, what would you like to name your project? Or what programming language do you prefer to use? Additionally, some commands may start doing something like running an app and then never quit. They are designed to run indefinitely. Now, this design pattern is great for human engineers, but as soon as it's an AI agent using the command line, it immediately runs into problems. When the agent executes a command and it comes back with a question or starts an application, the agent freezes. It has no way of handling these scenarios in the way a human would, which would be simply reading the question and then making a selection on the keyboard to continue. So that's why we've completely reimagined how our agent interacts with command line tools. Now, the Memex agent is able to create interactive terminals, use them to read responses from command line tools, and then submit key presses in response, just like a human would using a keyboard. It has 2 tangible impacts for you. First, it allows Memex to handle technical tasks for you that other coding agents can't. If a command line tool needs an answer to a technical question, Memex can answer it for you. Second, it unlocks a world of tools that have been previously off limits to coding agents. Let me show you a quick example that illustrates the second point, asking Memex to create a web app for us. I asked Memex to create the app for me with Windows 95 styling and a fun terminal widget. You can see that the agent ran a command to bootstrap the app, getting it off the ground faster than writing it from scratch. But then the command line tool asks questions about how the app should be configured. Other coding agents would freeze at this step. The only way to make progress would be for the human user to intervene. But in contrast, Memex is able to answer the questions interactively to make the best decisions suitable for the user's needs. That allows Memex to get to a working application in seconds flat. From there, it customized the app to our style preferences, Windows 95, and then added the terminal widget. The result is a working app built in less than 5 minutes on my machine, complete with styling and only a handful of credits used. This is just one example, but the capabilities of our interactive terminal extend to other use cases as well. So for example, you can use it to deploy apps or create command line tools or run multiple local services during development. All right, that's it for today's demo. Make sure to follow us, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss our other announcements this week. See you tomorrow.